the peanut butter and jelly burger. Sounds absolutely insane, but makes an awful lot of sense.
That's amazing. It's having a beef burger spiritual moment there.
Peanut butter and jelly. Oh, genius. But why can't it be a burger? Sounds insane, sounds like a gimmick. It's not. It's got a lot of logic behind it. Follow me. So we're gonna make a peanut butter. That peanut butter is gonna work so well with the beef. That peanutty vibe, it's just an umami. And then the jelly element. So I've got a chili jelly here, and I'm gonna turn it into bacon jelly. I'm a genius! Making peanut butter is super simple. Start with 500 grams of peanuts into a blitzer. Get those in and then lid on and blitz for about a minute. Now at this point, if you want chunky peanut butter, then take a couple of spoonfuls out and you can add those in at the end when you've made smooth peanut butter. Lid back on and let's blitz for another minute. Okay, it's really getting there now. You can see it's almost nice and smooth. So push it all back down again. Now we're going to add a couple of ingredients in there. So first up, some nice quality sea salt. Just pop that in there. That's going to bring the natural flavour of the peanuts through. I'm going to add back in the chunky bits of peanut that came out the first time. Get that back in. Need about a tablespoon of runny honey. And then I'm just going to put a teaspoon in of peanut oil. Get that in, lid back on and blitz. Now let's taste the peanut butter. Just heaven. Absolute, unadulterated peanut heaven. Why wouldn't you make your own peanut butter at home? That's amazing. And on top of the beef, it's gonna be knockout. Next up, the bacon jam or the bacon jelly. I've got bacon rashers, it's not smoked, and I'm using rashers. Don't use back bacon. Let's get it on. Right, onto kitchen roll so that it collects any excess fat, then roughly chop into a blitzer with your chili jelly, and Bob's your uncle, we've got bacon jelly. Should we try the bacon jelly? I think so. Sweet, sticky, and then salty, meaty bacon coming in there. That on top of the peanut butter, on top of the beef. That's gonna be mega. That is like the ultimate condiment that you can just build into your repertoire. So good. Peanut butter and bacon jelly, done. Now let's make a shallot and parsley mayo, and then we can cook the burger. The key to this is getting your knife skills on point. I'm gonna dice this super thin so that it's small pieces of shallots, because when that's on the burger, it's gonna be really crunchy and refreshing for the palate. So first up, let's dice this baby. Slice it in half, take the skin off, and then cut super fine one way. Slice along, and then take your time, but get it right and get beautiful dice out of it. Done. Okay, get that into your mayonnaise, and then a twist of parsley, and again, super fine and super tight. Just get that cut through. Nice, beautiful prep. Get that into your mayo, a nice of salt, and that is your third garnish done. Right, brothers and sisters, this is quite a naughty burger that you've probably worked out by now. Bacon jelly done, peanut butter done, shallot mayo done. There's a lot of naughtiness and a lot of flavour going on there, so the rest of the burger can be quite essential and simple. We've got baby gem and beef tomato. We've got a basic beef patty. I'll give you the recipe for this in a video at the end of this video, and a brioche bun that's been toasted. All we need to do now is cook the beef burgers and assemble this little beauty. peanut butter and jelly burger. Look at it, look at it. That is gonna nail it out the park. I reckon, so we're not serving it with fries, so I'm gonna say as a burger on its own, £6, £6. Look at it. Right, let's take it out there and see what people will pay. And remember people, if you're loving what we're doing and you're liking the food, let us know in the comment box what you would pay and subscribe to the channel and spread the word, share the vid. Right people, let's do it.
He's having a beef burger spiritual moment there. So we got the beef from a really good source. It's important that you get minced meat from a really good source. We use ginger pig. Yeah. It looks like it's doing the job. So the question is that peanut butter and jelly as a burger sounds a little bit insane. It sounds like a gimmick. The question is, first up, does it work as a burger?
I think it works, yes.
Yes. So the peanut butter and the bacon in the jam works?
It works together here.
Okay.
It's like TV jelly. I mean, it sounds weird,
but it makes sense.
But it makes sense, yeah. I like it.
He knows what he's going on about. Guy, market manager, what's it saying to you?
Lots of flavours, beautiful. Just comforting flavours, warm, you know, just a nice taste. Really nice.
Comforting, warm, just like Uncle Food Busker. Now, for a whole burger, what do you think it's worth? What would you pay?
For the special burger, I think I would pay just maybe $7.50.
$7.50?
Yeah.
Guy?
Easily £7.95 for that size.
$7.95. $7.95. Boom, back of the net. Come on. This is the peanut butter and jelly burger, cooked medium rare.
Oh my
Just
goodness.
get in there.
That looks amazing. Absolutely.
That's gone quiet, yeah? They've worked together, these two. There's a bond, a common bond between men, grown out of hard work and graft. And then when they come together to eat the burger, something special. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Now, the first question is, peanut butter and jelly burger, like it sounds crazy, but does it work?
Genius. Absolutely.
Yeah? Yeah?
No doubt.
Peanut butter with the beef, and then the sweet bacon jelly works.
It's bizarre, but it works. It works beautifully.
Score!
It's bizarre, but it works. Like the Food Busker. Okay, so what would you pay for a whole burger?
I think I'd pay a tenner. Restaurant.
Tenner, strong.
No, I think less than that. $6.99.
$6.99, but I'll take it. Boys, enjoy the food.
Thanks lads. See you later. See you later. The peanut butter and jelly burger. Proven and tested 4-0 back of the net.